Woo-wee, it's hot, y'all. I need some light. Alright. Check this out. The S. Hartney workbench. Look at that baby. Yeah. Ain't that nice? Alright, let's see what can be done here. I don't know if y'all can see or not. Hope so. Probably not. Maybe I'll just have to hold on to it. Get this thing out of here. I know what. Let's use some power driver. I'm not using my electricity for my AC right now. We talk about a cheapo guy. That's what I am. If you don't run your AC, you'll lose weight because, you know, you sweat all the time. So I've lost 20 pounds just sweating. Think it's working. Oh, you know what? I gotta undo these wires here. Alright. Let's see if this is gonna work. Is it gonna come out? Still something attached there. Okay. Yeah. Come back later. Thanks for watching.